Oftentimes we're told surgery is the solution to your problem. Oftentimes it's actually the beginning of the problem.
For years I had both hips replaced, 10 years apart, and kept on having all these joint issues and actually had 2 discs removed from my back also because they were herniated and bulging, and it was a mess, and I was in real bad pain, couldn't tie my own shoes or anything.
Wow.
So and then after that, then no cartilage left.
Right. So all the cartilage is gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said, okay, we'll see you again. And I said, what? And he said, yeah, anytime you have a disc removed, you have to come back and keep on having it done because the metal bracket that we put in there is going to put too much strain on the other joints above and below it. So you'll always have to come back to us and keep on having more operations. And I said, no, I won't.
How long ago was that?
That was, let's see, that was about 8 years ago.
Jeez. So fast forward. So we've been have a chance to work with you both with your hips and your low back.
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of change since you've come in the office here has happened?
Night and day. Night and day. I can walk. My muscles are stronger. I'm almost able to go up and down steps without holding on to a railing. Second hip surgery, I was on crutches for over a year. So that had my whole, after seeing you regularly, I mean, I'm just like a new person.
Good.
Just like, I've been seeing you for about a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
In that year, what's happened in a year?
It's just truly amazing. I mean, I sleep better, I breathe better, I sit better. My cognitive is much more alert, because I can think better. Since I'm breathing better, I'm getting more oxygen. I can think better. I mean, it's like a roller coaster uphill. Win, 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 win.
Good. Maybe it's time you step out the box. Call Dr. Winter at 770-536-6600.